Go for it.
Alright, orbitals.
Submit. Let yourself be
I'll go east.
made.
Two.
Oop, and range finger.
Tuned. Facing line south.
I'll go north.
Not a problem.
Am I good or what?
Everything lit? Without a hint back.
Tuned. I'll get that, Urgles.
Flesh is insufficient. You must discard it.
Can I? Not running like across the map. The closer we are together, the smaller those little hand things will be.
You can become so much more.
Have you guys ever seen the original clear of this?
I have not.
They like do a marathon. Stealthing this one.
Must be explored.
Can I get a leg shot?
Yes. Sorry about that.
I just took care of
It spawned in that corner, and I was looking the other way, so I didn't see it right away.
it. I took care of it anyways.
Thanks, Sue.
Kill this thing,
Oh my
please. Kill this thing, please, guys.
Guys, kill Kevin.
Got a fucking orb.
Right.
Right, right.
Everything we got.
I will know what you are truly capable of.
Good recovery.
Struggle, experience pain, drown in fear.
Sub.
2.
3.
I am impressed. Death narrows the field, brings focus. Witness the potential of perfection. Now, share your true strength.
Oh my god.
Push.
That one was not
Why is this thing sitting at 7%?
I had lots of pains I was running around, sorry.
Getting
Watch out, kitty. Going across the room, kitty.
Start moving across.
Going down.
Let's push, push, push.
Okay.
We're good.
We got
Alright,
this.
Sue, are we keeping same sides that we normally
Orb's
do?
coming.
I'll eat that far one, don't pull it.
weakness must be discarded.
getting that.
Slam bag, there's an orb. If you could grab it, that would be awesome.
Orb on Rugals. I'll get it in a couple seconds here.
Son of a bitch.
Or if we don't need it.
Just
Nice job.
Fucking awesome, guys. Alright, there's a bunch. Slam bag, you got a 20 stacker.
But
Just kill yourselves. I don't know, I did.
can you find the rest?
There we go.
This is not the
Good job.
end of your trial.
Nice job.
Yeah, that first hand, I apologize.
burn, Tim. Holy
I kept
shit.
having to switch side to side every
Yeah.
time.
I had a
Kept
really
getting
bad burn.
pains, so it was like, shit.
I had a very bad burn because I got double knocked at the beginning.
And you
even though
got
I
killed.
taunted. Did I get killed?
Yeah.
Yep.
So that's gonna.
And
Good
my
job.
burn was so shit. Good job, Tim.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks for
See,
carrying
you
me,
did-
guys.
All right,
Yes,
so I
man,
got a
that's the
question.
first time you killing that with us, man. Congrats,
Yeah,
man.
thanks.
Yeah, congrats, Slime. Third night in here, that's pretty fucking amazing.